3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you want to delete photos from Google Photos without removing them from your phone, there's a straightforward method to achieve this. Normally, deleting a photo from Google Photos also removes it from your phone, but by tweaking the settings, you can avoid this. First, open the Google Photos app on your device, either iPhone or Android. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, navigate to Photo Settings, and then select Backup and Sync. Turn off the backup feature to ensure that changes in Google Photos won't sync with your phone's storage. Next, open a web browser, such as Chrome, and go to Photos, guy.ol/google.com. Locate the photo you wish to delete, select it, and click the trash icon to move it to the trash. This action deletes the photo from Google Photos, but since backup syncing was decided, the photo remains on your phone's local storage. To resume backups for future photos, when we open the Google Photos app, tap your profile icon and select Turn on Backup, confirming your choice when prompted. The photo you deleted while backup was disabled will remain on your phone, but new photos will continue syncing with Google Photos.